Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to fix blurry Amazon Prime Video in just 5 minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Amazon website. When you arrive at the home page, take a moment to locate the section titled Account and Lists. This area is designed to give you quick access to various account settings and options, making it an important first stop in addressing any video playback issues. After you've clicked on Account and Lists, you will be directed to a page filled with multiple options related to your account. Here, look for the option labeled Prime. Clicking on Prime will take you to the dedicated Amazon Prime page, where you can manage and explore your streaming content and account settings specific to Amazon Prime services. Once you have arrived at the Prime page, it is time to choose the movie that you wish to watch. Browse through the available titles until you find the one that interests you. Selecting your film is an important step because the following adjustments you make will directly affect the playback experience of the movie you choose. With your movie selected, go ahead and press play. As the movie begins, you will see the standard video player interface on your screen. This interface not only displays the movie but also provides access to various playback settings, which are crucial when dealing with issues like blurry video quality. While the movie is playing, locate the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol usually found on the screen. Clicking on the settings icon will reveal a menu filled with options to adjust the video playback settings. Among these options you will find the settings related to video quality. Within these options there is a quality selection feature that lets you choose different resolution levels according to your network speed and preference. Focus on selecting the video quality option that best suits your viewing experience. Among the listed options there will be one labeled Best. Choosing this option is essential because it instructs the system to stream the video at the highest quality available, which should immediately correct the blurriness you are experiencing. Once you have clicked on the best option, the video player will adjust the playback settings, and you should notice an improvement in the clarity and detail of the movie. This new setting ensures that every scene is rendered in crisp, clear quality, providing a much more enjoyable viewing experience. This process, which involves navigating to Amazon, accessing your account settings, selecting and playing a movie, and finally adjusting the video quality, takes only a few minutes to complete. By following these steps, you have successfully resolved the issue of blurry video on Amazon Prime Video. Enjoy your movie knowing that you have optimized your settings for the best possible viewing experience.